Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So just by tapping on it, you have to give your hotspot a name. You can switch password here right away. You can go to advanced settings too. You can hide its SSID, you can select security protocol, and you can select AP band. Or you don't. No, you can actually. And you can also switch power mode. Turn off after 5 minutes. Okay. Tap next. Done. And now your hotspot is enabled, I guess. But you can also switch all these settings by just holding down on this button. Then you will be sent to this hotspot section, which you can find in network and internet, hotspot and tethering. So basically here you can also change its name. Here you can switch it. Password. You can also manage connected users here, set up maximum amount of connections. Enable allowed users only. So yeah, and these settings you already seen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.